brother with his kids. I never skip.
Okay.
My husband nearly lost his arm when that winch broke, but I think he's on the mend now. He got lucky, I guess.
So what happened?
He says it's better if I don't know.
So, an employee of the Delgado cartel was injured while working on a secret project in the caves beneath Santa Fortuna. Sounds intriguing. I suggest you locate this man's house, 47. Could be a chance to access the heart of the Delgado cartel.
The Delgado cartel is very sensitive around it. Some sort of secret project. I think they're building something big down in the caves. The problem is he's essential to the project, and now we have sicarios hanging around our house. They wanted to go back as soon as possible.
Sure sounds like you have a lot on your plate at the moment.
Tell me about it. I've got to go home and finish the washing. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey, you. You're that Mateo guy's wife, right? Mr. Delgado is very interested in learning more about the status of his health. How's he doing? Still alive, I hope.
No thanks to you and your lousy safety. My husband was almost killed down there.
I don't care. Mr. Delgado wants him back to work ASAP. Tell your husband to go to the bar to get the new key for the secret entrance. Got it?
Fine, I understand. He'll be there when he's recovered.
Good.
You're back. Where'd you go? I think it's the sicario outside.
I had to go shopping for groceries. And don't worry about him. I talked to him.
And?
He told me he'll be waiting for you at the bar. I wash your uniform as well. It's out back. But get some sleep first, all right?
See you. All right. Good idea.
Look, Mateo. I'm stressing out over the sicarios hanging out here. I can't keep stalling them, you know.
Amor, I almost died. They can't finish the project in the caves without me. So I need my rest. My arm will be better soon.
I'm sorry, Mateo. I'm just exhausted. Since you can't help me out with the house, everything is just a mess. I just finished the washing out back, including your bloodied uniform. I really need to get some rest as well.
I know. I'm sorry.
Dios omnipotente eterno, hear my pleas and cast your healing sight on my poor husband, so that he may be restored to full health. Protect him.
I'm coming!
Why the party last night, huh? Easy.
You have to get me the hell out of here. I'm stuck in some tequila bar.
Excuse me.
Middle of nowhere. I can't get out. Dexy, send help.
Hey, you're that guy who got injured, right? Didn't expect to see you back here so quickly.
I heal quickly.
Pues muy bien. It's nice to see you again. Here's the key to the basement. You know the way.
Thank you.
An underground cave system with a submarine. This must be what ties the militia and the cartel together, 47.
Huh.
What do you think that noise was? Someone should go see.
Okay.
Up and about again. Good. Listen, Rico really wants to see the sub running. When you're ready to do the demo for him, let me know. I'll call him down here.
I'm ready for the demo.
So
Can you call Rico,
the
please?
limiter on the
Okay, amigo.
About time.
I'll get right on it.
Yeah, wasn't exactly happy.
If it's me, I'm in the games. The sub's ready for the demo. Come on down, man. It's looking beautiful.
The only way to crank the engine up that high again is to remove the limiter. And nobody would be foolish enough to do that.
That Delgado guy really likes his toys to go fast, doesn't he?
Parece que sí. I guess it.
Delgado, just calm down a little. Did you see him sneaking around down here earlier?
Well, the sub-project So the engine limiter has been reinstalled and fitted as requested.
Guess he just wants
Don't
to
want
see
a
the
repeat of your
sub-running.
accident, ¿verdad?
Told me to make sure we arrange
Right. That would be terrible. Thanks for the
Let's
tip.
make sure we do that then. Greetings, senor.
So what's the situation here? Is my baby ready to get her feet wet or what? There she is. What a beautiful thing to behold, huh? I don't think that I have ever in my life seen anything as gorgeous as this, honestly. This, people, is a real game changer. Well. Look who's back on his feet again. Good to finally meet you in person. I guess the accident wasn't that serious after all.
I've caused worse, Mr. Delgado.
I like your style. But enough screwing around. Get that engine pouring. I want to see how much power this baby holds.
I'll do my best, Mr. Delgado.
Good thinking, 47. Delgado will want to see this beast in action, up close and personal.
All right, my friend. You made this boat spacious enough to hold, what,
10 tons of cargo?
We have increased the cargo capacity of the submersible to the required specifications, Mr. Delgado.
So, theoretically speaking, how many armed men can we ship around in this thing? On top of all the drugs we'll be exporting worldwide.
Around 6, sir.
10 tons of pure white and 6 soldiers. That is truly something else.
It's like a submersible party bus, sir.
The sound of the engine. Smooth like a hummingbird. You know what? I want to hear this mountain lion roar, my friend. Give him more power.
Yes, sir.
Now, finally, the engines. It is of the utmost importance that this sub goes as fast as possible.
I can definitely say this is the fastest submarine I have ever worked on.